Storing Python dictionaries. I'm used to bringing data in and out of Python using CSV files, but there are obvious challenges to this. Are there simple ways to store a dictionary, or sets of dictionaries, in a JSON or pickle file? For example, I would like to know both how to save this, and then how to load it back in.
Pickle save. See the pickle module documentation for additional information regarding the protocol argument. Pickle load. JSON save. Supply extra arguments, like sort_keys or indent, to get a pretty result. The argument sort_keys will sort the keys alphabetically and indent will indent your data structure with indent equals n spaces. JSON load.
Minimal example, writing directly to a file, or safely opening, closing. If you want to save it in a string instead of a file.
Also see the speeded up packaging.
To write to a file. To read from a file. My file is the file object for the file that you stored the dict in.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.